Hey there, gearheads! Ever wondered which type of car is best for you? Is it the traditional fuel-powered car, the eco-friendly hybrid, or the cutting-edge electric vehicle? Well, buckle up, because today I'm breaking it down for you. First up, let's talk about fuel-powered cars. These are your classic internal combustion engines. They've got power and long range on their side. Perfect for road trips, or if you're just not ready to give up the roar of an engine. But here's the downside: high emissions and dependability on fluctuating gas prices. Now, onto hybrid cars. These are the bridge between fuel and electric. They use both a gasoline engine and an electric motor, which means better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. Plus, they often have regenerative braking to recharge the battery. However, they can be more expensive to maintain due to their complex systems. Finally, let's dive into electric vehicles, or EVs. These are the future. Zero emissions and lower maintenance costs are huge advantages. And hey, who doesn't love the idea of never visiting a gas station again? The catch? Limited range and longer charging times. Though charging infrastructure is growing fast. So, which is best? It really depends on your lifestyle and priorities. If you value performance and long trips, a fuel-powered car might be your pick. If you want a balance of efficiency and eco-friendliness, hybrids are a solid choice. And if you're ready to embrace the future and reduce your carbon footprint, EVs are the way to go. Got a favourite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car content. Catch you on the road.